Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Silver Light Healing. And today we are going to do candle wax reading. So let us check what are your spirit guides wanting to let you know. Okay, let us check what are they wanting to let you know. What are your person's feelings or what are the messages for you? It could be any aspect of your life, your career, your health, or anything that you are currently thinking about. जैसे जैसे मुझे स्पिरिट गाइड्स यहाँ पे मैसेजेस देते जाएंगे, आई बी रीडिंग इट फॉर यू. ओके, सो लेट अस चेक व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस. वाओ. Okay, so you are actively working on something currently towards a goal. It could be finances, goals. Maybe you are facing some inner struggles. It could be depression, anxiety, fighting battles alone. Okay. बट एट द सेम टाइम आपको थोड़ी सी थकान भी लगती है. यू फील बर्डनड अप समटाइम्स दैट यू आर सपोज टू मैनेज इट ऑल अलोन. यस, पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज तो है आपकी. यू आर करंटली वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ, ऑन योर हीलिंग, ऑन योर चक्रास एज वेल. यू कुड बी मेडिटेटिंग. इफ यू आर नॉट, देन प्लीज स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, बिकॉज आई सी ग्रोथ. जिसके लिए भी आप अभी काम कर रहे हैं, आई सी पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट एंड ग्रोथ, बट you have to protect your energies. Okay, why? Because there are some negative influences present definitely around you, जिसकी वजह से आप अपने डिसीजंस जो है वो कई बार नहीं ले पाते अच्छी तरीके से. और मे बी इट कुड बी अ केस कि जहाँ पे आपके डिसीजंस आपके कोई जिससे आप अभी कनेक्टेड है या फिर रिलेटेड है आपसे, आपके फ्रेंड्स हो सकता है, आपकी फैमिली हो सकती है, आपको जो लगता है कि ये मेरा वेल विशर है, वो भी हो सकता है. ओके, यू कुड बी टेकिंग देयर ओपिनियंस एज वेल बिफोर टेकिंग अ डिसीजन. ओके, सो जो ये थर्ड पर्सन है जो आपके लाइफ को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, आपके डिसीजंस को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल कि वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नेगेटिवली भी अफेक्ट कर सकता है. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल. ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट योर एनर्जी. आपके जो भी गोल्स हैं जो आपने सेट करके रखे हैं, प्लीज़ डू नॉट शेयर इट बिफोर अचीविंग समथिंग. आपके जो भी आपने गोल सेट करके रखे हैं, आपको लगता होगा कि ये मेरा वेल विशर है, बट वॉट इफ दे कैरी नेगेटिव एनर्जीज और मे बी evil energies. Okay, so be careful. देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी प्रेजेंट, लेकिन कई बार जैसे मैंने बोला आप थक जाते हैं. ओके, मैनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आई सी कमिंग योर वे. यू आर ट्राइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट समबडी. यस, and I feel this person is quite important for you also. They have had great influence in your life, on you especially. Yes. Also, I'm clearing my throat again and again, so you have to work on your throat chakra. Maybe you have to communicate with somebody, you want to communicate with somebody, and please, you should go ahead if you are wishing for it. Okay, there might be some clouds of confusion present in your life currently. आपको पता नहीं है क्या करना है when you think about the person that you are dealing with, or maybe somebody who is present in your life, somebody with whom you are connected with. Okay, but yes, you have to communicate with this person in order to gain clarity. Also ये person जो है उनको भी कुछ clarity चाहिए आपसे. ओके, थोड़ा सा नेगेटिविटी प्रेजेंट है आपके कनेक्शन में, हो सकता है नेगेटिविटी आपको भी लगता है कि प्रेजेंट है. यू वांट टू क्लियर थिंग्स आउट, यू वांट टू क्लियर द क्लटर, यू वांट टू क्लियर आउट द नेगेटिविटी एज वेल. But somewhere you both are not willing to, you both are not willing to come forward and initiate the conversation. Yeah, that's another thing. I hope you saw the confirmation that we got during the reading. So this could be the energy. You both are wanting to communicate, you both want to have a conversation, but you both are not wishing to initiate it. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, also another thing that I'm getting is आप करेंगे इनके साथ communicate definitely in the coming weeks, days, months or weeks. I'm getting are significant here, not days, to be honest. So weeks and months could be significant. Maybe letter V could be significant. Umbrella, I don't know why, but yes, umbrella is significant here. W is significant here. Maybe wonderful, you had a wonderful relationship. They woo you in certain ways. Yeah, that's another message that I'm getting. You have to clear things out with this person. Yes, you have to. You are asked to. जो भी misunderstandings है, you have to do it. Okay, you have to clear things out. जितना हो सके उतना जल्दी you have to do it. Yeah. Okay. There is still misunderstanding, or maybe there is still this negative energy present in this connection that you are thinking about, but ये sort हो सकता है still. If you have a proper conversation with this person, you can do it if you wish to. Okay, this is your energy. This is a general reading, guys, so please take it as it fits. Do not complicate it further, and take it what fits and let go of what doesn't serve you. Okay, try to heal more, try to meditate more, so as to clear out the clutter and the negative influences from your life. Okay, and now let us check what are the angel messages for you. Fine, I've already shuffled up the cards here. Let us check. Reconsider. Yeah, so हो सकता है कि ये जिनके साथ आप डील कर रहे हैं उनके साथ आपके मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बढ़ गए थे. या so better I have made it simpler for you. So the very first card that we had is reconsider. Okay, so yeah, so you need to reconsider your choices. If you have given up on the connection, or maybe anything in your life, any aspect of your life, please reconsider, because positive opportunities are present and they are coming your way. We have opportunity, we have peaceful resolution. As I said, you should communicate and have come to a conclusion. A peaceful resolution is on its way. Okay, a strong yes. You are supposed to balance out the poles. Strong yes, जो भी क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में है, it's a strong yes. We have within the next few weeks, as I said, we have weeks and months, so we have a confirmation again within the next few weeks. Success, we have opportunities, success, and ask for help from others. As I said, there is some third party present, third party influences as well. जो भी आपके वेल विशर्स है, प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल विद बिफोर कंसिडरिंग देयर ओपिनियंस, और मे बी जब आप उनके ओपिनियन के बेसिस पे अपना डिसीजन लेते हैं, प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल, रिकन्सिडर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड देन टेक अ डिसीजन और कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. ओके, ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि कोई गलत ही इंसान है आपके लाइफ में, नो, बट और मे बी नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंसेस ही प्रेजेंट है, बट अपना भी लॉजिक, अपना भी थिंकिंग को इम्पोर्टेंस देके यू आर सपोज टू कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. फाइन. Let us check what are the love messages for you. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay. This is what your person is wanting to let you know. I wonder if you are happy with me. Okay. Okay. I bury myself to work to forget you. Okay. So they are willing to stay busy. I remember every detail of you. Sorry, of that day. Okay, so maybe you, so maybe they remember each and every detail of yours as well, and of that day, maybe a particular day is important for you guys. I look for you everywhere. Okay, so they are definitely missing you. I know I crossed the line with you. Okay, and another message that I'm getting here is wanting to be more than friends with you. Yeah, there is so much that I want to say to you, sorry. And I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay, so we have two cards. If you are happy with me, if you are happy without me. So there might be some confusion going on. आपको लगता था कि वो मेरे साथ खुश है या नहीं, फिर आपको अभी लगता है कि वो मेरे बिना खुश है या नहीं. Okay, so there is a need to balance out the poles. As I said, you need clarity in the situation. So for that you need to communicate. Again, we have confirmation. I don't know if you heard it or not, but yeah, here I heard a ting sound here out of nowhere. So that's another confirmation from the angels. And yeah, I hope it resonated with you. All the messages, I wish they resonated with you. And I'll be back with another reading soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay blessed.